Hello students, in this video we will discuss Einstein's postulates of special theory of relativity. Let us consider two inertial frames S and S dash. Let frame S is a stationary frame and frame S dash is moving with constant velocity v, which is very high, comparable to velocity of light in x direction. Let O and O dash are two observers in stationary frame S and in frame S dash respectively. According to the Einstein's first postulate, which is also called as principle of equivalence, in all inertial frames of reference, whether at rest or moving with constant velocity, obeys same laws of physics. So when a body of mass m in stationary frame S experiences a force F, it attains acceleration a. The same body of mass m in frame S dash, when it experiences the same force F, again attain the same acceleration a. Thus the Newton's second law of motion is valid or same in both the frames. The obvious reason is that the frame S and frame S dash both are inertial frames which are not under the influence of any external force. Hence, whatever are the laws of physics which are valid in frame S, the same laws of physics are also valid in frame S dash. Einstein's second postulate, which is also called as principle of constancy of speed of light. According to Einstein's second postulate, in all inertial frames of reference, whether the frame is at rest, like the frame S, or the frame is moving with constant velocity v, which is very high, comparable to velocity of light, like frame S dash, the light beam has the same velocity in both the frames. So the light beam travels with a constant velocity in both the frames, which is equal to 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 meter per second, irrespective of the velocity of frame S dash in x direction. So the velocity of frame S dash plays no role in adding up or changing the velocity of light in frame S dash. This is coming from the Michelson and Morley experiment, which states that the velocity of light is constant in all direction in space and is never added up with the velocity of source. So the velocity of light beam will be constant in both the frames S and S dash. And for this to happen, both the frames S and S dash must be inertial frames. That is, they must not be under the influence of any external force.